Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of one of the most anticipated sports cars of the decade, the 2025 Honda S2000. Honda has resurrected the iconic nameplate with a bold new look, cutting-edge features, and performance upgrades that will make enthusiasts' hearts race. Let's get straight into it. First, let's talk about the exterior. The new S2000 stays true to its roots with a sleek, low-slung profile, but it's been thoroughly modernized. The front end is aggressive, featuring slim LED headlights and a hexagonal grille that gives it a futuristic yet sporty appearance. Aerodynamic sculpting flows seamlessly from the hood to the side panels, emphasizing speed and performance. Honda has also introduced carbon fiber accents on the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser, enhancing both style and function. This car is available in vibrant new colors like solar red, electric blue, and a stunning metallic pearl white that catches the light beautifully. The rear end is just as impressive, with sharp angular LED taillights and a ducktail spoiler that adds a touch of elegance. The dual exhaust system not only looks great but promises a symphony of sound when you're on the throttle. The 19-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires, complete the aggressive stance. Overall, the exterior is a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and nostalgic design cues. For stepping inside, the 2025 S2000 feels like stepping into the future. The cabin is driver-focused, as you'd expect, but Honda has gone above and beyond with premium materials and advanced technology. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather with contrast stitching, providing both comfort and support during spirited driving. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you all the performance data you need at a glance. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system. Honda has also included a premium sound system for those moments when you're cruising rather than attacking corners. And speaking of convenience, the climate control system is dual zone, and there's even a wireless charging pad to keep your devices powered up. Now let's get to the part you've all been waiting for: performance. Under the hood, the 2025 S2000 packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 315 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Honda offers a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, staying true to the car's purest roots. But there's also an optional 8-speed automatic for those who prefer convenience. The lightweight chassis and precise steering make this car a joy to drive, whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing it to its limits on the track. The suspension has been tuned for an ideal balance between comfort and performance. You can even switch between driving modes, including sport and track, to tailor the car's behavior to your preference. And thanks to Honda's advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, you can enjoy the drive with peace of mind. So, what's the damage to your wallet? The base model starts at $45,000, which is incredibly competitive for a car in this segment. If you opt for additional packages like the carbon fiber trim or upgraded sound system, you're looking at closer to $50,000 to $55,000. It's a price that reflects not only the performance and luxury, but also the heritage of this iconic sports car. And there you have it, the 2025 Honda S2000. A car that combines style, technology, and thrilling performance into one exceptional package. What do you think of Honda's latest masterpiece? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.